Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u squared in here, because we want to cancel about the square root, so we put the u square cone here. Next, I will do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2u du. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. The s we change by this one. So this one we have u, this one we have u. Number 2 I will put in here. U I will go to number 1 and u square in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to 1 minus u. Because we have u, so I will put this one go to the left and t will go to the right. So I will have u equal to 1 minus t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative dt. So 1 minus u will change by t, u will change 1 minus t, and 1 minus t. Du will change by negative dt. This one we need to expand. Next, 1 plus 1 is about number 2. Negative t, negative 2t. We have negative 3t. So we have number 2 divided by t divided by t squared divided by t. So we have 2 over t minus number 3 plus t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 2 ln of the absolute value of t. The integration of number 3, we have 3t. The integration of t, we have t squared over 2. And I will put about c. About t, that is about 1 minus u. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have u equals to the square root of s. So I will put this one to change for you. This is the end. Thank you for watching.